Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add your own logo on your Wix editor as a tab, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in my editor, and I'm going to be adding a logo, which I can then click on to return me to the home page. Now, what you're going to want to do once you're at the page where you want to put your logo, and you should probably put your logo wherever fits best. For example, I'll put it here at the top of this page in the second column. So let's go over into add elements. Over here, you need to go into image, and as you can see, you have custom logo here at the bottom. So you're just going to want to scroll down to it if you want to, or click on it. It's going to take you to the logo like this, and you can click on it and you could drag it over in your, whoops, I don't know what just happened. But anyway, as you can see, the logo has been added right over here. We can drag it over up here as a tab. And as you can see, now the logo has been added. However, what we're also going to do is we're going to link it, because just like this, it's just going to be a static image. It's not going to do anything. But what you want to do is go over into the link and click here and select page. Now you can select whichever page you want it to bring you to. I'll just click home and make sure it opens it in a current window. You also have advanced SEO settings if you want to set them, but it really doesn't matter. And when I click done, as you can see, our logo has been added right here. Now it looks ugly. You're going to want to modify it to your own liking. But if I go into the preview right over here, just wait until it loads. It's going to preview the site like this. As you can see, when I hover over the logo, I have the click icon. So when I click it, it's going to take me to the home page just like this. And let's just wait until it takes us to the home page. I don't know why it's not going over there right now. There we go. Now it's at the home page. And as you can see, that is how you add a logo as a tab. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.